Hi Holidays Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Christmas owl, so let's get started. To draw this cozy owl, let's first start by drawing two big circles for the eyes. So I'm going to come right here and I'm just going to start to draw a big circle. And I'm going to come right across about right here and draw another circle. There, got two big circles in. And then I'm going to come inside again and draw another circle. I'm just going to follow my outside. And do the same thing over here. So now that these circles in, let's come in here and we'll make them draw so cute eyes. So two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom. Now that I've shaded it in the top, let's put lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. Okay, so now my big owl eyes in. Let's come in between the eyes and we're just going to draw a little beak. So I'm just going to come up here with a curve, round it off, and connect at the bottom, a little bit sharper, right in the center, and connect. Then from there, let's come above each eye. I'm just going to draw a soft curve over each eye. And let's start to draw the face and frame it up. So I'm going to come right above the eyes, so about right here and here. So let's come about here. I'm just going to draw a curve because we need to give our owl a cozy little hat. So right above the eyes, I'm going to draw a curve, and then I'm going to thicken this right up here for a little Santa hat and connect. And then from there, let's come to the sides right here. We're going to pop in some ears. So just draw two zigzags right there. And same thing here. Now these two little ears in, then let's come right here. We're going to draw a curve coming down on both sides. Then let's see here. Let's go above here and we're going to finish off this hat. So let's bring it up towards the center. Give a little peak area right here, and we're going to bring this down. And I'll just bring it to about right here so we don't get messy with the ears. And about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a little big poof ball. And let's come back right here. Draw a little curve to finish off the hat. There. Okay, so then now let's bring this down a little bit more. And I'm going to draw a curve. I'm pretty even. I'm going to draw a curve right across to start our scarf. There. And then let's draw our scarf. So let's pop this out a little bit, give it a little bit of wobble. Little wobble and connect. And then for the wings. So I'm going to come out right here. And about in this area, I'm going to go ahead and connect. So round off the tip for our wing. And same thing here. So I'm just going to drag this point across, make sure I'm about the same level as the other side. Round off the tip and connect. So two wings in, and then let's just go ahead and connect it right about here and here with a curve all the way across. And let's finish, before I forget, let's finish off my scarf right here. Right in this area. And the little feet. So let's come right here. And I'm just going to basically draw 3 ovals, just to simplify it. 3 ovals stuck together. Same thing here. There. Okay, so now that I have that in between right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a little line right here for the branch. But before I do that, let's come back in here and draw in some details. So right here, I'm just going to lightly draw a curve to add in some details for feathers. And maybe some here as well. Just nice and light in that area. And I'll add a heart right here for my scarf to make it my Draw So Cute winter owl, Christmas owl. And let's see here. Okay, so now that owl is pretty much done, let's spruce it up. So I'm going to add a branch. So let's come right here. And this is going to come out. And let's just bring this out. And I'll give it one. I'll split it up. There. So just a very simple little branch. And we can, let's see here. Let's add some holly berries right here because it's to celebrate Christmas, right? So in this area right here, I'm just going to draw 3 circles. And some holly leaves. Maybe some more here. And let's see. Add some more leaves here. Add some more berries there, just to finish it up. Okay, so now that I've muddled this whole area, let's come back over here and add some ornaments. That'd be really cute. Let's hang some ornaments on our tree. So bring a line down, just draw a very simple little ornament. And we can add one more here, or you can put a string of lights. It's all up to you. Little one right here, or you can even hang some stockings. But I'll just simplify mine and just put in maybe one more right here. And another stripe. And let's see, we can add some snow that's fallen onto our branch. So when you're coloring, just leave that white. So they're all done. I really hope I made this winter owl here that's ready to celebrate Christmas fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you.